My name is Sospudan and I am from Thai Namche South Sikkim, and my name of the toy is Jigsaw Puzzle. The Jigsaw Puzzle is more than a toy, it is a game which helps the students, the age group between 6 to 11 years old, studying in standard 2 to 5 class, and the game helps students to arrange the puzzle in its right place, and the students can also learn about the Mahatma Gandhi, which we have the image on the puzzle, so that the students can also learn more about Mahatma Gandhi and his importance towards the nation, and students can also develop and increase their IQ skills. The method of the game, how we can play this game is, the students have to arrange the puzzle pieces on its right place so that the students can achieve the result. Thank you.